Hello everybody, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you something that I did crazy, but also there's a real reason about this. So let's get started with the video. My name is Shaurya Singh, and today I'm going to be telling you that how did I did a drone shot view. Like, it's like a drone view, but actually it's not from a drone. So that's so now it is a bit crazy, but I'm going to tell you the backstory. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Creative Shaurya. I'm also known by Creative Shaurya. So today I'm going to be telling about how did I did a drone shot view even though there's not a drone. So let's get started. So now let's look at a story. How did I did it? Now, long story short, I asked for my dad for a drone, and then he was like, "No, I won't, because drones here are expensive in India. So we cannot really go much for a drone. Even you have made in India drones, but those are really costly. And also we're not going for those China knockoffs. We had a drone, which is a Chinese knockoff of some other drone, and it just doesn't function properly. So yeah, that's the reason we don't buy any drone. Most of the drones here are imported from China, so really don't go for that. But I'm gonna be telling another story. So it was this morning, and I wanted to play down, just hang out with my friends. Then I just went down at the ground, and then I called my buddies, all my friends. And then we have a ground, and over there, there were some pipes laying around, like really long pipes. So I thought that let's do some drone shoots. They're like carrying around the pipes. I'm like, okay, let's do the drone shoot. Now this is the structure, okay? Let's say this is the long pipe. So this is a long pipe, and there's another pipe. It's a bit short, so it's like almost this much. And also we had a small holder. It's like a bent pipe. So let's say this is a bent area. So you have this area here. So you have this area here. Just don't focus on this side. Okay, so it's like this is a bent pipe. And here we insert at the down part, we plug in our camera. Actually, it's not even a camera. I have one spare phone lying around. So it is this thing. Yeah, it's a dummy phone. Like, it's such a small, one of those phones, but it's a camera and it's a Geo phone actually. So pretty smartphone. Then I thought that, okay, since I have this phone with me, I'm just carrying it all around. Why won't I just insert it? And then here it is. We have some crazy parts here. It is a bit funny. So we have two edits. It's actually we did two shots, but one of the shots, like this, actually supports. It's basically an Android phone, you can say, but it has WhatsApp in this, and it's not. And one of the videos, another clip is not being sent to this camera. This another phone, the main phone. So I just went on with the first clip. So I have two edits. I mean, one is the normal, and second is the edit, which gives a feeling like a drone. So let's have a look at the clips. So also there's bloopers.